Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an introductory type video for what is to come, but I also wanted to show you my outfit of the day. I am currently at a hotel with my son, my youngest son. I've got two sons. One of them is at a church excursion, and I'm here with my youngest son. We're getting ready to head out to lunch. And so I wanted to show you what I was wearing, and I wanted to tell you that I toured the Tory Burch and the Coach outlet yesterday, so I'm going to show you some footage of that. I'm currently wearing this dotted see-through top from Gia Rose. I showed you a while back. I'm sure they're sold out, but Gia Rose has really cute clothes, so if you want to go check them out, I highly recommend them. They're in Parsons, Kansas, but they ship all over the United States. And then underneath it, I have this cami. This cami is from H&M. And oh my gosh, I love these. I'm gonna squat down a little bit. I love these camis. They're double layered on the chest area. And I just like how they are not skin tight around the body. And then my denim is Gia Rose denim 2. It's the Risen Bermuda shorts. And of course you can't see them very well, but they have this distressing right here. And for some reason, they just make my legs look so much better than my legs actually look. So let me show you my bag for the couple of days that I'm on this excursion. It is the Prada Re-Edition 2005. It comes with this web strap as well as this dangly chain strap here and the little accessory. And I went ahead and I put my Samorga organizer back in this bag. It is a little bit more structured, and so I have absolutely everything in this bag but my cell phone. And I'm seeing very little bumping, and I have room for my phone in the bag. I mean, there's very little distortion. The bag's gonna always be just a tiny bit weighty because it is so small, so when you put your things in, you can sort of see them just a tiny bit. But honestly, this is mostly just the drape of the leather and not what I have in it, because I don't really feel any bulges when I feel the bag. So, one thing I noticed when I was wearing this yesterday, this piece right here, when I had my tank top on, when this was on my skin, it really kind of irritated me when I had the bag up just slightly higher where I like to wear it. So I lowered the bag down a little bit more so that this was not on my collarbone. But today, since I'm wearing this sleeved shirt here, as long as I don't take this off, I think I can pretty much position the bag wherever I want. But I like this bag a little higher. Right where I have it is about where I like it. And I have something to show you. I'm super excited about this. Just you wait and see. So this is an unbagging video. Yay! Can you believe it? I can't. It's insanity, all of the unbagging. But you can see that this is a chain. So this bag has been unbagged from a bigger bag, but it hasn't been yet revealed on my channel. So this is a chain from Nextfashion. I believe it has the large #1 clips on it right here. And when I got the silver version of this chain, this is the dashing Rolo chain. It is a stunning, stunning chain. But when I got the silver version, I accidentally ordered it too long because I didn't understand how the ordering worked with Nextfashion. But basically, you select the length of the chain that you want, and then you select the clasps, and he has the measurements for the clasps, and then you add those together, and that's how long your chain's gonna be. So I ordered a 51-inch chain on accident. So what I did on my silver one is I shortened it myself. I'm pretty handy taking charms apart, and I'm telling you, you can't tell that I shortened it, but there is like a slight imperfection on this loop on my silver one. This one's perfect because I knew exactly what length I wanted, which is 37 inches plus the clasps. And you might say, oh my gosh, that seems so short. Why would you have your chain so short? Well, I'm telling you, it's because of the bag. Every bag is different. Each one has her own personality. And this one, with the curve of the bag, likes to be up higher on the body. It really does. I don't know what it is, but it has to do with the way that the bag curves. and I just like it up higher. And so I wanted a chain that would look beautiful with the bag to dress her up in the evening, maybe for dinner later tonight, as an alternative to the webbed strap. One other thing I wanted to mention about this Prada bag, you'd think, oh my gosh, Prada, it's such good quality. I can't stand how good a quality it is. Or maybe you wouldn't say I can't stand it, you'd be happy. But I yesterday had this webbed strap come off of my bag 2 or 3 times, like come unclipped. At one point it came unclipped from both sides within minutes. And I was like, oh my gosh, you spend this much on a bag and it's gonna fall on the ground if you're not careful. Luckily it never did, but I did want to show you here. I'm like scatterbrained today, but look at the difference between the Prada chain, which is this one, and the Nextfashion chain. Honestly, the Prada chain looks dull in comparison. So I'm not saying I'm not going to use my Prada chain because it's Prada, but whenever I want to use a long shoulder bag or a high crossbody bag, I am definitely using this beauty, and I'm ditching the webbed strap. And so I just wanted to show you, look at what Nextfashion has done for me. They've given me another option. Yay! We are ready to go. Are we ready to go, youngest son?
Yep.
All right, youngest son is ready to go. Sorry guys, I don't want to share his name with you for privacy purposes, but I've got my bag all assembled again and got the strap on, and so we are gonna head out. Okay, ladies and gents, I thought I would just go ahead and show you some of the Willa bags. Here's the matte black mini, like what I have, but then they also have it in a larger size that is convertible. And then here, I've been wanting to look at these, but they're like the little mini Willa bucket bag, and I would bet you can fit way more in there than you would think. Here's the crochet bag, and oh my lord, that is super heavy. But I have not seen this color. These are the small Willa, which is the size that I have. But this color here is just very pretty. I was trying to find the tag on it. It is called Arctic, so it is the same color as my Kira that's woven. And I will find out the price. It's $5.48 retail, but I'll find out the price. So the price is an extra 40% off retail. This is the volcanic stone color. I have not seen this color in person. It's coming off darker than it is in real life. It's more brown undertones than it's showing. It is a really nice color, but I do prefer my taupe to that one. And of course they still have the cream like the one I have, and then of course look how much bigger the next size up is. Can you see that? It's a huge difference. Okay, so these are the mini shopper totes, and they are half off, so they're $139. They're definitely big enough to fit a phone, but not a whole lot more. Definitely card case too. They're half off, so they're $278 marked down to $139. And then these are the bigger size Blake shopper tote, and they retail for $448, so they are $224. And the pebbling on the leather on these is really nice. They feel super good. These are the Blake printed small tote. They're really cute and come in several colors. Retail is $398, so they are $199. You've got a green, a black, and a pink. And then of course you can go bigger too. For those of you that are digging the Ruby 18, you might like these. These are the Thea small or mini satchel, and they come in this electric blue, this black color, and then this caramel color. And the retail on them is $358 minus the additional 40%, And of course, if you need a larger size, there is a larger option available. We do have some of the small willows in clearance, and these are marked from $5.48 down to $2.19 because they're running 50% off plus the extra 20%. And the same is the case for this little mini bag like I just showed you. For those of you who watch me regularly, I showed you my Britain yesterday. This is what I was talking about. They have revamped these so they're multiple compartments and there's glazing on the sides now. And I just really do not like them as well as the newer style. But they do have some pretty colors, including the larger size of the one like the one I have, except for, again, it's got the glazing on the side, so it has multiple compartments. Look at these little mini Lee Radswell bags. Too tiny for me, but oh my gosh, Winnie BLV, you would love these. They are so cute. And then that looks like one of the structured Flemings, but look at the detail on these flowers. That is so cool. Not my cup of tea. Looks like it's raffia too, but I love the detail. More mini. Eat your heart out, Winnie BLV. Look at these little mini Eleanor bags. They are so stinking cute. Okay, so I just had to show you guys, if you like strawberries, this does have glitter. Can you see that? On the strawberries. I did not know that or could tell that from online. The clearance selection is somewhat meager. I think this is part of that Dream Flower collection. It is pretty. Dreamy leaves. But this stuff's 70% off. I have not seen the Pride collection at the retail store, but this looks pretty nice. It is printed on top of the canvas, like I've heard others say. The leather, I wouldn't say it's like super soft, but it's not bad. So if you want to get a piece of this, it is actually 60% off plus an extra 15. I think the thing I like most is the umbrella right there. But I know a lot of people have been really liking the rainbow strap that comes with this bag. And I do like the design of this bag better than the swinger because it doesn't cave in at the bottom. What I don't love about it is that brown leather. It just does not look that good to me. Retail is $378, so 60% plus an extra 15. I like the Field Tote 22s that I show all the time, and you want to spend a little bit less money. These Dempsey totes are a nice alternative. This is in a jacquard type fabric. It does feel really nice. The pebbled leather also feels really nice. Much nicer than the leather on the Rainbow collection. This is $378 and it is half off. No. It's either half off or 60% off. I'm getting conflicting messages because it says 60% off there and it says 50% off there. But one of the two options, and by the way, this Legends Outlet Coach, they do ship. And there's an extra 15% off of that. They have these cute espadrilles too, but I cannot handle the feel of that straw stuff on my feet. If you want an Alma BB lookalike, this could be an option for you. It's got not super shiny gold hardware, which I like. And it does have that nice domed shape. It comes in a chalk, this red, which may be the red, let me see. It says Miami red, and then also in a black and a signature. These are priced at $139. There is another option that is comparable to the Ruby satchel. You can see it comes in several different prints. These are the canvas ones. The canvas feels really nice. I don't love the feel of the leather handles or that they're that skinny. I think I like this leather version better, the Saffiano feel. I don't know, it's okay. I don't love the skinny handles, but it definitely is a good alternative, and it's nice that the zipper comes down on the sides. And this peach color here is really pretty too. They're $129, but they may be an extra 15% off as well. I do have just a little bit of the chambray left over, and everything, I guess, in the store is an extra 15% off. They have this lighter shade here of a lighter blue, and then a couple of the Clios as well. Like a bigger style hobo bag. The leather on these feels really nice, and I like that they have the buckle on this side. It's unfortunate that it's not easily removable, but it is a nice detail. And again, like everything else in the store, it's an extra 15% off. I love this brown color that it comes in. It looks like 1941 saddle, or pretty darn close to it. Let's see what it actually is. It is called Redwood, but it's very nice. And here's some of the other options. All right, so that's it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the shopping and maybe even could find something you wanted. We've been around the town in Kansas City, Kansas, and Kansas City, Missouri. So if you see anything you like, you can definitely call some of these locations and ship to you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so you can be notified of exciting new content such as this. Also, find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife. At very minimum, you'll get notified of my videos, but if I'm feeling extra sassy, I'll post outfits of the day or bag mod shots too. You can also email me if that's your preferred mode of contact. And the way you do that is you just send me an email to thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. I hope you all have a fabulous day. Thanks for your time, and I will see you real soon. Bye.